Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today we're doing a quick unboxing. But before we get into it, man, I hope everyone is having a great weekend. Today is Saturday, so I should have this video out by tomorrow if everything goes well. Now, by the title of this video, you probably already know what we're getting ourselves into, but before we get into that, I just want to do something real quick and do a quick unboxing right here. This one was actually a gift. It just randomly popped up. I know it's from my homie Chili, so huge shout out to Chili for sending this over. I wanted to go ahead and unbox this with you guys to see what we got, man. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick and see what's inside the box. Oh. Oh, oh, what is this, man? Okay, check this out. So we got a air freshener, it looks like, the Chunky Dunkies. Probably the only Chunky Dunkies I'll ever own right here, boom, as an air freshener. Crazy coconut, that's super dope. This will go in the Lexus for sure. And it looks like we have a staple collaboration right here. Let me just go ahead and open this up. Oh, what is this? What is this, my friend? ZDog.com. So definitely a dog toy. I guess it was a collaboration with ZDog and Staple Pigeon. But bro, like, this is a little too nice for you, Butters. A little too nice for you. My dog loves stuff like this, and honestly, I already know what the outcome is gonna look like. The first 10 minutes, something's gonna be pulled off of this. So I might just let this chill right here, you know, little ornament, little desk ornament or something. Or maybe I'll give it to her. Maybe. Thank you so much for sending this out. I don't know if he still watches these videos, so I'm gonna go ahead and give him a text message. But yeah, this is super cool. Random gift, man. Random gift, random gifts of appreciation. Always super cool. Thank you so much once again. Now in today's video, we're doing a quick unboxing on some sneakers. Now I've been kind of slowing down on my sneaker purchases, to be honest. Like, I've been really cautious about what I've been spending my money on, and it's just because I got a lot of stuff to be paying for. And you know, this is one of those shoes that I was like, bro, I love these. I love how they look. So today we're gonna be getting my reaction straight up, like fresh out the box. I've never seen these in person, this particular colorway. I never held a pair of these, so it should be a good reaction. We got the box right here. I noticed that it's really dense feeling. It feels a lot heavier than any other sneaker that I've had come in the mail. So we're gonna see what's up with this. And we'll talk about this sneaker a little bit. I know it's a bit controversial, so we'll give this a little whammy. But I'm really just working, man. A lot of people have been purchasing the sneakers that have been, you know, posted on my website. So shout out to everybody that's been supporting the site. Shopsoultopia.com, link down below if you guys want to check out the sneakers I got on there. I uploaded like 50 to 60 pairs of shoes on there, so make sure you check it out. But yeah, here's the box. Oh, box is kind of crazy. All right. Ooh, this box, man. Look at this. So here we go. These are the Air Kiys, the K-I-Y. Air Kiys. I've been following this guy for a minute, man. I've been seeing a lot of his sneakers everywhere. You already know what it is with the whole bootleg, fugazi, like whatever you guys want to call it. You know, it is what it is. I've seen so many versions of the Air Jordan 1 done, and I feel like this guy, he really has it locked down. So I went ahead, I bought a size 10 in this pair right here. I don't remember what the colorway is, but we'll just call it the Green Crocodiles. Is that cool? But yeah, this box, super cool. Nice presentation so far. I went ahead and I got a size 10, and I actually like how they did the tag right there where you see the shoe, so you know what's inside. If you guys have multiple of these, kind of nice. It'd be cool to see Nike do something like that. But let's go ahead and check these babies out. Ooh, oh, okay. Comes with some goods. I did not expect that. So first things first, we got a little thank you card right here. We got the Statue of Liberty wearing a mask, masked up, and then a little thank you card. I think stuff like this is super cool, man. Like, just a little touch, adds a little flair to the packaging. Super cool. I believe this was in here, but it looks like we have Oh, it's a loyalty card. I don't know what that means, but we got it right there. Nice little gold card. Cream laces, the cream of the crop, the dust bag. Gotta love it, baby. Gotta love it. If you're wondering what that says, it says Reves. Another name for it is Reves Paris. So I don't know, it's like two brand. I don't know. Let's get a quick look at the paper. You see the paper? Air Kiy. And now, the most ultimate part of the video. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Okay, let me pull both of these things out. And let's just take a quick look, bro. Let's take a quick look. So here are the Air Kiys. Air Kiys, man. So this colorway in particular is just one of those colorways that caught my attention when he first posted it on his Instagram. Something about this look was so good to me. So obviously he's using the Air Jordan 1 silhouette, but with his version, he has the Thunderbolt going through. If you guys haven't seen these, I'm sure you probably have, man. If you're on Instagram and you follow sneaker pages, you probably have seen these. But the thing that really got me about this pair is the way that the colors just work well together. I've been really into the greens lately. The nano leaf coordination behind me, bro. I've been like sleeping to the green at night. Like my whole room is green. So I'm with the green tones right now. And when I saw these, I was like, wow, that colorway is really, really clean. The way that the green just hits and then the off-white sail midsole is just like, I could already tell that this is just going to be one of those sneakers that I'm gonna wear pretty often. That's why I went ahead and I bought this shoe. Now if you're wondering how much I bought these for, I was able to get it from his website, which is pretty hard to do. I just got a little bit lucky, but the price that he charges for these is $275. $275. Obviously that's more than retail on a real Jordan 1, and I've seen people make videos on his sneakers saying that he charges too much, yada yada, but I could kind of see why he may be charging a little more than what Nike would charge. I can almost guarantee he's not doing the quantity that Nike produces, right? Like let's say when you place an order, let's say for like these, right, or order for Nike's able to create, I don't know, let me just throw a number out there. Let's say like 10,000 pairs of Air Jordan 1s. It could be more, it could be less, whatever. Since the quantity is pretty high, they're able to purchase the sneakers for way lower. Let's say the cost of making a sneaker is $10, right? Let's say Kiy wants to make it for, I don't know, he wants to place an order for 500 pairs. Maybe with that low of a quantity, he's getting charged $150 for these, or he's getting charged like $75. So he has to make his money somewhere, and then on top of that, you gotta pay for taxes, duties, shipping from China to here. Like there's other costs involved. So I see, you know, why potentially it could be up there in terms of like the price. I went ahead and I bought it just because, like I said, I really do like this sneaker right here. And I think that it just looks good, man. Like the green tones, out of the people that do the bootleg Jordan 1s, I feel like Kiy does it best. I don't even know this guy. I'm talking like I know him or he knows me personally. I don't know this guy for anything, man. I've seen some YouTubers that have like connections with this man, but honestly, I just bought something that I enjoy, and you know, I thought that was pretty appealing to me. So here they are. He uses this interesting leather. This is not, I don't think it's no real crocodile or anything. It would be super expensive, but it's a nice looking leather right here. In terms of the quality of this, let me see. This is stuff. Let's take a look at the quality. Ooh, we got a nice insole in there. This is how the toe box leather is looking. It's very similar to Air Jordan 1. Like it's nothing phenomenal. It's not like you're buying perfectly leather crafted shoe or anything, but this is like what you get on a Jordan 1. You know, it's smooth leather. It's not a tumbled leather. He just went ahead and, you know, did a smooth one. Pretty nice, pretty saucy. One thing that I noticed though is that he changed the outsole. So a lot of the people that do the bootleg stuff, they use the Air Jordan 1 outsole, but he went ahead and he changed this. I think on his older pairs, he used the Jordan 1 outsole still. It just said Air Kiy in the middle. But then on here it says Reves, and I think on this side probably says Paris. Oh no, this one says Reves as well. So you guys see that? He kind of changed up the tractioning a little bit, still, you know, has some inspiration, like the front part with the stars. It has, you know, the lightning bolts. But let me know what you guys think about this, man. Here's how the insole is looking. You got Reves right there. It's almost like a flame insole or something. Pretty nice touch, man. Pretty nice touch. A little bit of tongue action right there. Reves. And then on the front, it says Kiy. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think the two best companies that do the Jordan 1 silhouette remake or bootleg version has to be Reves or Air Kiy and the homies over at Fugazi. I think they execute their sneakers very well. Like I said, a lot of the places that I've seen, when you look at, you know, the model or the silhouette, stuff looks a little weird. Like the toe box might be a little too chunky. The ankle area, like something looks a little off. But with these, I feel like they got the Jordan 1 silhouette pretty damn close. Like that is a Jordan 1 right there, man. Even the shape of the toe, it looks nice. It doesn't look like it's too thick over here, or it doesn't look like it's too boxy or anything. Like that looks like a typical Jordan 1. I gotta give it to him, man. That's just how I feel about it. Let me know how you guys feel about the whole bootleg movement, because I've done a couple videos in the past. I picked up the Fugazi, the Dunk Lows, and I also got the one in the Chambers, and I honestly love those sneakers. If you were to ask me maybe like 5 years ago, when I was like doing everything like super to the books and all that, I probably would say no, I would never wear like a bootleg sneaker. But honestly, I could care less now. Like what I'm really rocking, to be honest with you guys, are Crocs slides. I'm just cooling. I'm trying to be comfortable. I could care less, right? Like if I like it, I'll buy it, obviously, and if I don't, then I'll just keep it moving. Like I said, I got stuff to pay for. Your boy's growing up, trying to spend money a little bit more responsibly, and just trying to have a good life, bro. So when I see stuff I like, I'll treat myself every now and then. It's nothing like it used to be. There was a point where I was buying sneakers, maybe, I don't know, maybe like 5 pairs of sneakers a week, and I can't keep up with that lifestyle, bro. Like that's just not where I'm at with things right now. I just have a little more of like an adult mentality now. You know what I'm saying? Like your boy's getting old. I'm 25 now, so we're still growing, we're still progressing, and we're just trying to be smarter. You know, we're just trying to level up. So anyways, guys, this is just my quick little rant, quick little unboxing of these Air Kiys. Again, let me know what you guys think. Are you rocking bootlegs nowadays, or what the hell are you guys rocking? Are you rocking Crocs? Are you in slippers? Are you still wearing Dunks? Do you guys like Dunks now? Do people like SBs now? What are you guys doing, man? Let me know in the comment section down below, as always. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support. One thing I want to say before I end this video is that I am sitting on like a little saucer chair. That's why I kind of look like, you know, I'm kind of sitting a little bit low. It's because this chair is not meant for this desk, but I got you at eye level to try to, you know, even it out a little bit. But yeah, that's going to wrap this video up. Like I said, if you guys would like to support the channel in any way, I do appreciate anybody that likes, comments, and subscribes. It really does help the algorithms out. If you guys want to, you know, support a little bit further, check out my website. I do have sneakers on there if you guys want to purchase. Shopsoultopia.com, and I also have my sneaker cleaner, which you guys have been actually killing lately. So thank you guys so much. Definitely make sure to check that out. I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Hope y'all have a beautiful day. I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. I'm out. Peace.